Unscrew the air intake cover and set the cover and air filter aside. Clean the air filter as needed. Unscrew the cover at the corners and set it aside. Unscrew the top plate at the corners and set it aside. Unscrew the safety mechanism. Remember the connections? Detach the connections enough to expose the internals. Use non-magnetic partitions to separate the coils from the magnet and prevent contact. Unscrew the air chamber cover and set it aside. Remove the U-nut and washer. Then remove the lower air chamber and set it aside. On the other side, unhook the power cable from the groove before removing the upper and lower air chamber. Carefully remove the activation arm using the partitions and place it away from other metal objects. Then remove the partitions. Separate the old diaphragm from the lower air chamber. Align the new diaphragm with the grooves on the lower air chamber. Press it firmly with your thumb until it is evenly tightened. Connect the activator arm and the lower air chamber. Put on the new washer and U-nut. Turn the nut by hand until the U-nut is firmly stopped. No need to tighten it further for now. Insert the magnet back into the coil housing and push the lower air chamber into place. Secure the activator arm in place with the partitions. Install the lower air chamber, washer, and U-nut on the other side. Screw the U-nuts on both sides in place. Secure the diaphragms with one hand to prevent them from shifting out of place. Reinstall and screw in the upper air chamber on both sides. Remove the partition. Reconnect the safety switch's wiring and screw the safety switch into its original orientation. Reinstall the coil housing cover and screw it back in. Secure the power cable back on the upper air chamber, leaving enough wire to prevent it from snagging during operation. The filter and air intake cover can be put back at any time. Before covering up, remember to put back the gasket. Return the pump cover and screw it back on.